Hey guys, over the last several days, many reports indicate that the iPhone XS can outperform the iPhone X in network and Wi-Fi speeds. So I wanted to perform a test here on the channel just to see what the results will be. Now, I haven't run this test as of yet on any of these two devices, but first things first, both of these two devices are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network here in the studio, and both of these are running on the AT&T network as well. As you see there, both are AT&T, and we're in the Tampa area. So what I want to do first is run the Wi-Fi test on the iPhone X here and see what the download speeds look like and the upload speeds. So let's go ahead and see how much faster can the iPhone XS perform versus an iPhone X, or vice versa. We see here that we have approximately 85 download speeds, and it looks like we're going to get around 7 upload speeds here for the iPhone X. But let's go ahead and wait for the official number. That looks, it's creeping up maybe to 7.5 with upload speeds. All right, so now we're going to do the iPhone XS. Again, same Wi-Fi network, same place. Let's run the test on the iPhone XS. And it looks like we're reaching approximately 85 to 86. Not a big difference, maybe 87, but it looks like it's pretty similar in regards to download speeds. And the upload speeds here, it looks like it's going to be very, very close as well. The iPhone X got 7.46. The iPhone XS looks like it's pretty much the same thing, 7.50-ish or so. So in regards to network speeds, or Wi-Fi speed, I should say, it looks like these two devices are performing identical. Okay, so now what I want to do is go ahead and turn the Wi-Fi off on both of these two devices and try the AT&T network. Now, my network here doesn't have a lot of strength. As you see there, there's only 2 lines of LTE on both devices, but we're going to do iPhone X first on the AT&T network to see what the numbers look like and see if we get any difference in terms of downloads and uploads performance here. As you see there, very, very poor performance by AT&T, at least in the area that I live in. And that's a bit unfortunate because I've had AT&T for quite some time, and I recently moved, and it looks like the connection here is just very, very poor. We got 3.40 download speeds, and upload speeds were barely reaching the 1. So there you guys have it. Very, very poor performance of AT&T network in the area where I live. So 1 upload. So let's do the iPhone XS here. So the iPhone XS should theoretically outperform the iPhone X. And it looks like that's so. On the AT&T network, it looks like it's peaking up to 8, drops down to 6, but is definitely performing better with the same amount of signal bars. You see there, 2 bars. On the iPhone X, we got 3.4. On the iPhone XS, 9.20. So the upload speed is also slightly higher, at least at the moment. We're reaching close to 2 down, or upload, sorry. And that is on the AT&T network as well. You see there, AT&T with the LTE 2 bars of strength, we got 2.29. So definitely on the network speed side, not so much the Wi-Fi, but the LTE network speeds on AT&T GSM devices here, it looks like the iPhone XS definitely outperforms the iPhone X. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Do you own the iPhone X or the iPhone XS, and how's the performance been for you? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.